Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix issue when Instagram video not playing on your device, and it's very simple and easy to fix, so let's begin. First you're gonna try open up your browser and then open up website speedtest.net. Let me refresh the page. There will be that big go button appeared, and once you are on that site, just tap there on that button, and this site will show you your currently speed of the internet. So maybe you will understand that you don't have enough speed of your internet, and that's why Instagram video are not playing on your device. So next you're gonna try, you may open up Detector.com website and there look for Instagram, and here and there on that graph you can see Instagram outages reported in the last 24 hours. So maybe this is problem with Instagram servers, and that causes that your video are not playing properly. And there is one more thing you may try. Just open up your settings, there select general, next iPhone storage, and there wait for a couple of seconds, and there let's find Instagram. Here it is, and there you may try to offload that app and then reinstall that app. This action will remove all data of your Instagram app from that device, but it kept your login information on that device, so you wouldn't be able to make real login procedure. You may try that thing if previous two didn't help you. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.